Alright guys, so look, today we're going to do a nice bruschetta with goat's curd and peas, a little bit of mint and chilli and a little bit of lemon zest. It's always nice, you know, you've had a great big Christmas, a really great New Year's, and it's nice to have a bit of healthy options. So I'm just going to show you a real simple dish. So we've got another nice little crushy kind of ciabatta. We're going to nicely slice it, put the slices on it. Have your oven on as well, around about 140 degrees. Nice little bit of olive oil. Bit of Cornish salt. I'm just going to pop these into the oven, about 4 or 5 minutes. Okay guys, so I've got some nice frozen sweet peas here. Fresh peas is always good as well, just give them just like a little blanch for about 2 minutes. Take them out and refresh them. So into a nice little bowl. Just going to grab a nice bit of parmesan. I'm just going to grate some in there. Don't be shy. It's always good for a bit of flavour. Nice good drizzle of olive oil. Don't buy the cheap stuff, get some nice quality oil, it's always good. Put a little bit of lemon zest in there as well. Just going to give it a little bit more of a smash. Nice bit of salt. Then I'm going to grab a little bit of fresh basil. Nice bit of fresh mint as well. Ooh. So let's have a little taste. A little bit of lemon juice in there. It's a lovely bit of bruschetta we've got here, nice bit of goat's curd, but I always love to have a little bit of rubbed garlic on top of my bruschettas. So, just put a little bit of goat's curd on the bottom of the plate. It just helps bruschettas stop running around everywhere. Nice smashed peas we've got here. It's nice to finish off a little bit of parmesan. Nice big dollop, goat's curd. Delicious.